Hey guys, JD Talk 12, and he's here with another video. So today we're eating this caramel thing. Okay guys, I took a couple of bites, you could tell. And let me tell you, it's delicious guys. Absolutely delicious. It tastes the best. Yeah, guys. So as you can tell, it's like jelly. Moves a lot. Has caramel. Try to scoop the caramel up because it comes off. Then
here we have small passages that map the creation of the cave. You can see the process. We're below groundwater level. So
guys, it kind of tastes like custard.
the water drips slowly and gradually
Also,
carbonate and magnesium. Sand and anything that is
like sweeter, much sweeter.
This is how labyrinthine grottos form, dozens of kilometers long.
Yeah, guys, tastes super good. And here it is jiggling.
So the two locations seem to be connected underground. The opening to the Earth's surface has to be a remnant of collapsed corridors.
Guys, and let me tell you, it's the best thing you might ever find. Finding a thumbnail picture, guys. Boom. Shakalaka. Someone called the doctor.
The cave filled up. Is this the key to dating the child of Kromdrai?
And here's my dad. If you've been wondering. Yeah, guys, so I rate this 10 out of 10. See? Jiggles, wiggles. Look at the color, guys.
We're in one of Stripfontaines.
Yeah, guys, it tastes like
About
custard.
30 meters long and 20 meters wide and about 30 meters high. That's exactly the same size
And
as
caramel.
Kromdrai. This is interesting because here we have an unfilled cave. We still have a vault
Tastes
separating us from the surface.
really good.
10 meters of rock.
I think you guys should eat it.
Making the roof thinner and at some stage it's open.
Wicked sister, creamy caramel.
Yeah, and here's my mother.
Beer.
Gradually a pile of rock like an hourglass.
Yeah. Wicked caramel.
It's a time capsule of what was
Sister.
happening outside at the time.
Wicked sister.
And caramel. Green caramel.
The TARDIS rises until the opening is clogged.
And here's my dad again.
Give me a piece of mango, mommy.
He likes mangoes.
At the same time,
Yes.
stalagmites
And he likes dry mangoes best of all.
as soon as the
Let me taste it.
a second pile of screaming
Something
falls
chili.
on top of the first.
Something.
You want to taste?
No, not that one. That's yummy.
Yeah, my God.
Yummy.
Guys, my dad doesn't really like sweet food.
So the
Let me see.
screams of the fossils
Does it taste nice or it will give me gastritis? Huh?
Here we have a small
Try it.
Mm-hmm.
Try it first.
6 million years ago.
Here's the box.
To the surface.
If you're wondering why we
from one source.
folded that, you needed to open it. Well, that's it for this video. See ya. Peace.